feeling blue. To feel sad or unhappy. She is feeling blue today. He is feeling blue after the bad news. As right as rain. Completely fine, healthy, or in good condition. After resting, I feel as right as rain. The car is fixed now. It's as right as rain. Bounce off the walls. To be very excited. After the good news, he was bouncing off the walls. The cat is happy and bouncing off the walls. Burn bridges. To damage a relationship. Don't burn bridges with your old boss. Be kind to people. Don't burn bridges. On thin ice. A person who is in trouble. She is late for work. She is on thin ice. He lied to his father, so he is on thin ice. Put all your eggs in one basket. Take a big risk. I never put all my eggs in one basket. He put all his eggs in one basket and lost. Get out of hand. Difficult to control. The kids are shouting. They're getting out of hand. His anger got out of hand quickly. Call it a day. To stop working or finish an activity for the day. I'm tired. Let's call it a day. It's late. Let's call it a day. Walk on eggshells. To be very careful not to upset someone. At work, I walk on eggshells. My brother is angry, so we must walk on eggshells. Go the extra mile. To put in extra effort to do something well. Good workers go the extra mile. I will go the extra mile to win.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!